everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry this video is coming a day late. I usually upload on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. My name is Rachel and this is a lifestyle unboxing beauty channel. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. I'm going to do today's unboxing as the Target beauty box for February. Before I get into the box, I just want to give you guys a little update and news so you kind of know what's going to happen. So today is actually a Wednesday. Like I said, I normally upload on Tuesday. I kind of like yesterday was a blur because I'd switched off nights and I meant to do my taping late in the evening and it didn't happen. So I just decided to go ahead and do this morning. My giveaway ends on Friday the 22nd at midnight Central Time. I'll put the link below. I will be announcing the winner on Saturday's video. So stay tuned for that. I usually will upload late in the evening, so I'll probably upload that before I go to work. Also of note, I will be going out of town for a week. So I will be going on a trip to California with my daughter and back to where I grew up for a friend's wedding. So a lot of these videos I'm going to try to pre-record over the next day or two so that they're up and available. So if they seem like a little like, oh, she pre-recorded it, it's because I did. Because I want to be able to just enjoy my time with my daughter and go do some fun stuff and not have to worry about uploading or not. So anyway, let's get into this. This is the Target Beauty Box. These things are $7. They are once a month and it's not a pre-recurring subscription. So basically when they go up, and it's usually around the first or second week of the month, you have to go on and order them individually. Sometimes they have 2 boxes. This month they had 1. And they always come in like these cute little boxes with different designs. So this month has a very Valentine's feel. I got this, technically it got delivered in my box last week, but the post office has been having some issues. So I had a bunch of my mail, said it was in the parcel locker. And yeah, the parcel locker the key was in our box was for our neighbors. So it took me over the holiday weekend to get my mail. All right, so the theme is love yourself, and they always give you a little rundown of the products and a coupon. All right, this is what it looks like. And lately, Target's been doing this, which I think is really cool. They've been putting these little things on here to keep these from leaking, which is really awesome. So the first thing here are shampoos. Oh, that's the other thing with these boxes. You know what you're getting ahead of time. They put these all in line, so you can be like, oh, I don't like this box. I don't want to buy it. Okay, so these are the Nexus Color Assure shampoo and conditioner. These are 3 fluid ounces each. I may actually take these on my trip. These are like perfect travel size shampoo and conditioner. This is a vibrancy retention. Now my hair is not dyed, so I don't really need a vibrancy retention. And then this one is a protein fusion. It has quinoa in it. All right, nice. And let's see if they say anything beyond that. Nope. All right, next thing here is the Native Deodorant Coconut Vanilla. I did get one of these in a Pinch Me box at some point, and I actually don't know what I did with it. But anyway, this is what is, ooh, it smells like coconut. So it's a little natural deodorant. I don't know how well these work. I didn't use my last one enough to really get a good idea, but this is it. And it's coconut and vanilla deodorant, provides long-lasting odor protection, goes on smooth and smells sumptuous. So it's supposed to be cruelty-free. So I'm gonna give this a try. It has starch in it and shea and coconut oil. So we'll see about that. Next thing here is Pantene Airspray, alcohol-free hairspray. Okay, so this is a hairspray. I'm always up for that because these little things. So this is my postpartum hair loss and regrowth. It's coming back slowly. But when I want to put my hair up higher than a low ponytail, I oftentimes have to clip and hairspray to keep myself from looking like. So I am all for trying out new hairsprays. So this is supposed to not cause stiffness or stickiness. We'll see. All right, next thing here is the Stub Derma Scalp Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. I may pass this on to my husband. I don't like shampoo conditioner combos. I just think it's weird. I need more conditioning on my hair, but he loves this kind of stuff. So I will give this to him to try out. But yeah, nice trial size. It's only 1.8 fluid ounces. All right, next thing here is the Love Beauty and Planet Citrus Peel Radical Refresher Uplifting Dry Shampoo. Let's see. I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hair. I'm gonna go get my hair cut here. Ooh, that smells really good, in like an hour. So my hair is kind of gross right now, but that's okay. It's not too bad. Let's get it here where my flyaways are kind of looking a little greasy. That doesn't smell bad. So anyway, I'll give that a try. It smells good. It does smell like citrus. I don't see a lot of white residue, so that's good. All right, so this is it, and this is supposed to make your hair look bouncy and full of life. Well, it looks better than it did a second ago. I'm always on the lookout for good dry shampoo. You guys know that. Look how tiny this is. This is itty bitty. This is the number 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Boosting Serum. This is 1.1 fluid ounce. Itty, itty, itty bitty. Let's... Oh, it's not even full. Okay, look how much I'm squeezing this bottle. And anything has yet to come out. That is just the tiniest amount of stuff in there. I just don't understand companies that do that. Just fill it up with a little bit more stuff. All right, we're gonna put this in my lines here. My expression lines, because I like to go like this a lot. Doesn't really have a smell. It feels very nice and thin. Can't really see what it says on the back because they put a barcode. Yeah, it's supposed to reduce the appearance of fine lines in just 12 weeks. The problem is this sample will maybe last a week, so you can't really tell. You're supposed to mix this in with your moisturizer, eye cream, or foundation for an extra boost. So, a cool concept. I can't really try it out properly. All right, final thing here, which I am actually quite interested in, is the K Bella Professional Selfie Ready Makeup Priming Sheet Mask. So this is kind of interesting. It's supposed to smooth and tone the skin while tightening pores so you can be selfie ready complexion. So you're supposed to put this on the face for up to 15 minutes before removing, and it's supposed to have a lot of hyaluronic acid in it. So yeah, we'll give that a try. So that's the total of the box. So we got a bunch of shampoo and hair conditioner stuff, hairspray, dry shampoo, a little bit of deodorant. Oh, I was gonna pull this up, but that's not it. And a little serum and a face mask. So yeah, not bad. For $7, I'm pretty happy. And like I said, they always give a $3 off coupon. So if you actually use it, which I'm pretty bad about using it, then, you know, this box really only costs you $4, which is pretty good, and no shipping costs. So this is still consistently one of my more favorite boxes, even if I don't like everything in it for the price. I just find a lot of fun drugstore priced quality products that I can try out, which is really, really nice. And it's Target. I love me some Target. So anyway, guys, I will let you go. So I will see you in a video tomorrow because I am planning to upload like normal tomorrow. And then I will do my big announcement on Saturday. So please, please, please let everybody who has not known about my giveaway go ahead and enter. You've got a little bit more time. I don't know if we're going to make it to 500. We're a little over 400. We've got like 90 to go. So it'd be amazing, but I'm not that optimistic, but if we do, great. I'll get that third winner. If not, I'll hold that box and we'll do a giveaway when I reach 500. So no big deal. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you later.